First, we just need a bunch of soapy water around this thing, because it has been on here for a while. Alright, now we need our slide hammer, or slap hammer, whatever you want to call it. Get it up under the edge of the bead, and have at it. There you go. It's that easy. Alright, so got these little tire spoon things off Amazon. Came with some other stuff, like, let me get them out of here real quick. I don't know, they're for like, they're not very big. For like 4-wheeler tires or lawnmowers or whatever. So we're going to try to get this, which is a, I don't know what size it is. I think it's a 15. So we're going to try to get it off of the wheel with just these. This thing came with like, I don't know, little rim guards. I don't know what they're called. But we're not going to worry about that. We're not concerned. I don't know, this thing was like $12 or something on Amazon. Pretty cheap. So we're gonna put some more soap on here and see what we can do. Aim you up a little bit here. Alright, we got it started. Probably gonna go ahead and use all 3 on this. Normally you would not use 3. First one back out. Okay. I think we're about good to go. Actually getting it off the rim is going to be tough, because these are pretty small. I don't know if you can even see that. I don't think I've ever tried to use one this small. Probably gonna have to use my foot here. We may have to get the hammer. I'm trying not to, though. Oh. I think we're gonna have to. We're gonna try some more. I'm gonna try some more soap. I have to go back in there. Try again. I don't know if this is gonna happen. Guess we can get the hammer out. It's about to go. Now, this is a lot easier if you're not using miniature tools. Like if you had a normal sized tire spoon, this wouldn't take 2 minutes. There you go. Alright. And the next one, we're gonna put the tire on the wheel with miniature tools.